Alright, that's it for the weekend. This will be a wrap-up instead of a prelude. It's Jackie's desk most of the day. We got the internal casing framed out. That includes the top rails that are fitted with dovetails. The lower stretchers were also cut and mounted in. I have them glued up right now so that they can fit into the case when we start getting closer to putting the whole cabinet together. And I also did more work on the legs. I'm not happy with one of them. I'm starting to think about going by another 4-inch square tube and starting that one over. More on that later. And finish the one Purple Heart and Maple cutting board that went home to Jeff. And then I had enough extra, so I started another one. So I think it's time for a beer. I'm not sure how many I have left. Oh, shoot. Gotta make beer now.